Hey everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to talk about how we can install Docker engine on Ubuntu. So basically this is the official documentation, and here you can just use these commands. Okay, so whatever commands is given you have to just execute one by one, and you will have the Docker ready in your system. So first you need to uninstall any older version if you have. So just open up a terminal and run this script. So this command actually. So nothing I have here, and then you have to create a docker.sh. If you want to create, you can, and then below you will see you need to set up apt repository first. So just copy this all command and paste it here, and use a shift colon wq. First, you need to press. Wait, just a minute. I will just clear everything, and again press I, and then Control Shift V. Let me copy where it is. Just copy, press escape, and then colon wq exclamation to save, and give permission to this file and run this script docker.sh. So it will take a few minutes or few seconds of time. Next we have to install the Docker packages, so we will use this command. So just copy till here, and you can just click on this button to copy the command. Now it's copied, I guess. Okay, do yes. So you have just wait. Okay, it's done. Next paste this command. Yeah, 426 MB it will take the space. So keep in mind, like, you should have the enough space for the Docker in your VM. So it will take around 15-20 seconds of time. Then next what we have. So you have to Docker service starts automatically after installation. So we have to basically verify. So we will do just sudo system ctl status docker. Once it's done, okay, almost we are done. Okay, cool. Now just use this. So here you can see it's showing active. Okay, just press Q to end this. Okay. Now if you see, so status docker is running, so no need to run this command. Now if you do this sudo docker run hello world, so it will create an image, and one container will be there for you running with the name hello world. So if you do sudo docker ps-a, so you can see the hello world. Okay, so Docker has been installed. Now next thing what we have to do is the post installation. So that is basically your Docker should be run with the normal user as well. Okay, so if you see here post installation steps, so here you can see manage Docker as a non-root user. So Docker daemon binds to a Unix socket, not TCP port. Okay, so what you need to do, you need to just use this command. Okay, so Docker already gives is showing. Okay, for me, might have installed already or any previous time. Okay, now it's done. Log out and log back so that your group members are able. If you're running Linux emergent with memory necessary to restart the VM for changes to take the effect. Okay, so for now, just I will open up a new terminal and just type here Docker hyphen full version whether I'm able to execute. Okay, I'm able to execute. Just type Docker images. Okay, so here it's showing permission denied. So what we will do, I will just reboot the system. So we'll just wait until system ups again. Okay, till then I will just pause the video. Okay, so my system has been started. Let's try now. Docker images. Now it should come. Okay. So here you can see, just clear the screen again and type Docker images. So here you can see images came here, then Docker ps-a, then I can use the Docker command now as a normal user. So in this way, you can install the Docker and use as a non-root user. So that's it for this class, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.